What did you say? Gentle with the kitties. Nah, I think, yeah. Easy there. Easy with the kitty. How do you be nice to the kitty? Oh.
This is the box.
You do what?
This is the box.
You the box?
Box.
Bot?
Box.
I don't know what that is.
With that.
A what?
Blue.
Oh, blue? You want your colors? You want your friends? Yeah? Okay. Which colors do you like? Which ones do you want?
Blue.
Blue? And what else?
Blue.
Yellow? Okay. Anything else?
Green.
What about purple?
Green.
What?
Green.
What? Olivia, look how cute you used to talk. You still do. This is so funny. She talks like Chinese.
This is the dog.
Uh-huh. You be gentle with that cat. Easy. Easy, easy. Haha. What's that cat's name? Who's Belly? Oh, nice, gentle. If she wants to go, you gotta let her go. Cool, baby. You look like a giant from down here. Giant Olivia.